So when we talk about manufacturing in the UK, we're talking about high users. Therefore, it's really important that manufacturing businesses have a consultant that can guide them through.
We strive to help our clients realise that commercial advantage by minimising their cost and also helping them with any sustainable credentials that they may wish to try and ascertain.
The biggest challenge that I've encountered that manufacturing companies face in this industry is that they want to bring their costs down.
High upfront investment when we talk about energy solutions.
Some companies don't have the upfront cost to implement energy solutions. We have those conversations around power purchase agreements, which means actually they may well still get the same benefits as someone who does have the capital, but not having to put that outlay straight away.
Some of the key inefficiencies that we would most likely find within manufacturers would be the fabric makeup or model of the building itself. Some are going to be, really old buildings that you can't really retrospectively fit, but typically you're looking at anything from inefficient lighting or old machinery or motors that are either running idle or not running or require upgrades.
We tailor our solutions to each business by understanding their business.
We really want to understand our clients and their requirements and their needs.
Often that will be centred on making the right data available, making the right recommendations around technology and ensuring that that coincides with an efficient strategic strategy around the procurement of energy.
At Advanced Utilities, we are a one-stop solution. What that means for our customers is that we are able to offer them energy, water, waste, sustainability solutions and help them with their route to net zero.
We're completely impartial, we're supplier agnostic, we have lots and lots of contacts with various different technology providers, and it's about finding the right solution for that individual client that fits their needs moving forward.